How to use Adobe Scan or Adobe software to simply save your PDF as a PDF format on your device. For this, what you have to do is simply go on the application manager and then you have to simply click on the Adobe Acrobat, that is Adobe Scanner. And then when you click it, you're going to see the option that is sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with Apple, or sign in with Adobe. You simply have to sign in with your Gmail account that you have previously registered with your Adobe Acrobat Reader. And then on this menu, I'm simply going to add my Google account to this. Like this is my Google account. I will click on the continue and then agree all the terms and conditions. Just after this, I'm gonna complete this thing and the setup will be completed. After doing all this thing, you can simply create a PDF file in your Adobe application and then you can save it as a file or PDF format. Now this is my account. I will continue it and then start creating the PDF format I want to create. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe to the channel.